Hi guys, welcome back. There was a clue at the start of this video I'm giving you as to what we're doing today. First time we're doing it, so like Chaz is like so super excited.
Really?
So we're just walking down now. We've had to come the long way around because some are playing archery and we don't want to get shot.
Don't fancy a hole.
Nah. We have got Sam. Just going to flip the camera, guys. Getting close, guys. Got any ideas yet? To be fair, you should have got it by the picture, but a lot of people don't know what it is, so might not. Ready? Chaz is snorkeling.
Yay!
Get ready, Chaz.
3, running jump.
Go, 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 go. Yay! Do you know if you fell out of this?
That would have been quite cool.
So yeah, we are drum roll magnet fishing. Woo! Sorry about my hair, guys. It's pretty windy. What we do is we chuck this in the water, drag it, and once we get a heavier pull, we pull it out, and hopefully, I'm hoping we catch something. Okay. Start at the front. The best. Oh my god, this is so hard to actually throw.
Do not fall down.
Yeah, try not to fall in.
No, I'm not. Yeah, you'd love me to.
It would add to the collection.
Walk along. Watch us not get anything at all. This is just going to be a waste of time. We've got something. We got nails.
Nails. Look at that.
Yay!
Way.
Lots of nails. I don't want to throw those.
We'll find a bin. If you put them in a pile,
Put them in a pile here. We'll come back for them, guys, and bits of metal as well or something. Let's have another go. Yeah. Ready? Put it over. Ooh, whatever that was, I don't think the magnets picked it up. No, it was proper heavy, that was.
It might be lodged. It might be lodged into the water a little bit.
It might be worth getting the bigger magnets as well. It's there, isn't it?
Try again.
I don't want to go in front. Drop it in front, Charles. What are you doing? It's in between them rocks. You got it? It was there somewhere. Because it just did not want to lift it. You got it?
let's get down dirty.
You're doing them dirty.
Bit of Christina Aguilera. it.
Oh, hang on. Ooh, Chaz, you caught something. You caught a nail also.
Whoa, another nail.
And lots of little magnet bits. Whatever they are. I wonder what the magnetic bits are.
Oh dear.
I nearly went in. I'm going to have to come back with wellies.
I did. You are.
Okay, not down and dirty like Christina Aguilera today.
Just like down and dirty like Chaz.
Yep. Chest down.
Eh? It's got some on it, Chaz. You gotta get it off. Why is there so many nails?
I'm surprised at how many nails they actually are in this.
Guys, this helps as well. We'll come back and look along this line because we are like cleaning stuff out of the stream as well. Albeit nails. So you get ducks and things down there. What's the matter?
You're right. The brain's like really. You get ducks and everything like that. I thought about getting ducks.
Oh dear. I'm gonna drag it. Gonna struggle in a bit, Chaz, because you're not gonna be able to walk it. Flipping hell.
Is that more nails?
Yeah. That's like shit. This is ridiculous. Sometimes it just doesn't work. Sometimes it just doesn't want to bring or go like stay down. Oh.
Oh.
Is that like a key of some sort?
It looks like one of them spam keys.
Yeah, it does, but what's that round it?
It's just calcium. It might be the tin thing. You know when you
Oh, when you ram it. Why the hell is that in there? That's dangerous. Hang on, Charles, there's some more bits in there. Found a key.
What do I know about spam keys?
I know what you mean. Get them on corned beef as well. My hair's going everywhere. Oh, I want it to go. Oh shit! Why has the magnet come off?
Oh dear.
Okay, right, wait. It fingered onto that, so let's see if we can get the magnet. I think I can see.
Yeah, you can actually. It will go onto the metal bit. Don't worry about the line because it's long enough.
Rescue mission!
I screwed it on dead tight as well. Watch it be stuck. It's found something and then be like stuck on it dead hard, so we can't get the magnet back. Oh, careful. God, Chaz, careful. You got it still?
Yep.
You feel it still?
Got it.
Yes! Gonna have to swing it out a bit. Right, we've got to get this back on tight. I've got the screws still in it.
A few minutes later.
Can you feel anything?
It's like a slight pull. I don't know if I'm actually.
I don't think. I think it might have just.
It's just a really tiny nail.
It's a teeny weeny nail. Teeny one.
So many. What are they doing in the lake?
I know. It's not a lake, Sam.
I mean, not a lake. A river.
It's a crook.
This is not
Stream.
a river. It's a stream.
It's a full of nails.
I'm knowledgeable.
You can move up a bit. If you want to move. No, I didn't mean move back. I meant up this way. Go a different spot. Go for it. Check it the next time you pull it out. Tighten up. Feel anything? Nope.
Nothing that time.
Just give it a tighten. Check on the. Try and aim for that. That thing that's sticking out.
Silvery shiny.
Yeah. It's alright, I don't think it's not going to break. Oh, not far enough. Might get something on the way in. No.
Stilts.
What? What's wrong with you? You just come out with random words. Stilts.
Yeah, I'm thinking that if
Oh, nearly.
that was
It's alright, just pull it.
okay, stand there and then do exactly the same. I was just thinking if I had stilts, I'd be able to go in.
If you put wellies on, you would.
Yeah.
I put wellies on, but I don't climb down that.
Ooh.
Something big.
Oh, what you got?
I don't know.
Oh, wow.
That's loads.
Metallic rocks and things. There must be something.
Something that's corroded.
Yeah.
Definitely. Okay. We'll put them in the bin.
It's always that little bit more out the water.
Yep.
I hope that's not a bloody body.
What?
That wrapped up rag.
Found a torso.
Oh, don't. Come on, Sam, you can do it. Oh, nearly.
It's so hard to aim with this.
It is. It's harder than it looks.
Sorry. I was practicing what was in my head.
What have you taken today, Jess? Oh, that was so close. So close. Sam, do you know when you throw it, you don't have to hold on to the back line, just throw it and let go. So aim it at one spot, because Chaz has got the whole line. So just like throw it and let go. So something on it?
Another little one. And then there's
One
Little
metal thing.
metal rock thing.
yeah.
That's what, throw it like this.
Yeah, and then just let go. Yes!
Yay! Shit,
Is it on it though?
it was. You touched it.
Oh, you've got it, Sam. No, well, that's a magnet.
Oh.
Where did it go? Where the actual hell did it go?
Slip behind the rock.
Yeah, but the magnet should have picked it up, unless it's not actually
I was going
metal.
to say unless it went metal. Beat me to it.
There's something on the bottom.
The wasp. Not anymore. It fell off.
Oh,
There was something bigger on
there was
it.
something bigger on it.
It must have fell off.
Now, what we can do is, if the more we go up this way, the deeper it is. You go down that way, it's more shallow. Which kind of way do we want to go?
What do you think? Are they deeper?
That's
Deeper?
Yeah.
Okay.
deep into the mist.
You could pop a branch in one. Okay.
Yeah, it'll definitely work out really good.
Yeah. Did a really good splash.
Anything heavy? Try and see if you can drag it a bit more, like upwards, so you cover that way. So like throw it right in and then try and walk up with it.
You know what we need? We need one of them sticks with like a circle on it.
Yeah.
That you can like dangle it a bit.
Yeah, I know what you
We
mean.
could make one.
Yeah. Bit slower. Oh, we've got something. I see the tug on it.
There is something in there. We just let go, but if I drop it again down there, I'll probably get it. That was a really good pull.
I was just about, it's the magnet. I was just about to say, tighten the magnet.
Pop it up. Okay.
For Luke's sake.
So
I don't think we're going to be able to just step in that.
the magnets just fell in.
Do you want me to
Mom
start?
is trying to get into the river.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
I think it's deeper than my boots. I'm scared to get up now. That's so much deeper than it looks.
Yeah, because the rocks, they make it look a little bit shallower, don't they?
Yeah, but my foot went like literally right over to that. I didn't think it was that deep. Need what? Do, do, do.
Ta-da! You got my foot. Oh.
I'm dirty. You want me to take my bellies off and you try? Let me sit down. Do you want to sit on?
The joys of what we do.
You'll have to take camera, Sam, because I'm not walking in the mud. Hey, my funky socks. Yay! I'm filthy.
One hour later.
It must have fell.
I think when I moved the
Right, guys, after that rigmarole,
I'm wearing Andrew's
Chazzy's like got really wet feet and it's
one wet foot.
and it's really cold, so we're going to call it a day. The fun we've had.
That was
We'll sort it out so the magnet sort of like stays.
sound like fine.
I know that happens to me when I wear socks in the garden. Yeah, we'll sort it out so the magnet doesn't come off. I'm going to get some stronger magnets as well. This was our first time trying. It's only a little stream literally across the road from me. We will go to different places. Maybe once we've got the magnets sorted so they don't come off, we can go more to like proper lakes and things.
Yeah, somewhere where we're more likely to find something.
We've got some other things, we've got other things that we're planning to do as well. One's charity shop,
Yeah.
searching, dumpster diving.
Yeah. We'll
So-
see if we can find some dumpsters.
We've got an investigation we're doing this week, and towards the end of this month me and Ryder are doing an overnight stay in a haunted building that's still in use. So we're looking forward to that. Right guys, we're heading home. Cold and wet. So we're going to end this video. Hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up. Any suggestions of things we can do, let us know.
Yep.
We're quite happy, aren't we, to do
Yeah,
what people
yeah.
suggest, because it'll be quite good fun.
If you've got any like challenges, anything like that you think fancy, oh, try that one.
Yeah. Yeah. It's windy. So we'll catch you later, guys. Bye.